In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Gmail account without using a phone number or recovery email. We all know how frustrating it can be to lose access to important information, so let's walk through this process step by step to help you regain access to your account smoothly. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail sign-in page. In the sign-in field, enter the email address for the account you're trying to recover and click Next. Now, instead of entering your password, you'll need to click on the Forgot Password link just below the password entry field. This will lead you to the account recovery page, where we can start our journey to retrieve your account. Once you're on the recovery page, Google will usually ask for the last password you remember using with the account. If you recall any of your past passwords, enter one and click Next. Don't worry if you can't remember, simply click Try Another Way to proceed to the next step. Since we're recovering your account without a phone number or recovery email, you'll likely need to select Try Another Way multiple times until you get a different recovery option. Next, if you have any other devices you've used to sign into this Gmail account, Google might detect them and prompt you to confirm your identity using one of those devices. This might involve approving a notification sent to your phone or other connected devices. Having access to such a device can make this part easier, so definitely try this if it's an option. If you're unable to use a previous device, Google may ask you additional questions, such as when you created the account. This can be a challenge to remember, but try to estimate the right year or month. Google also might prompt you to enter an email address where they can contact you. This isn't the recovery email, but rather an email where Google can send you information regarding your recovery request. After providing an email address, Google will review the information provided and assess the possibility of helping you recover the account. Keep in mind that for privacy and security reasons, this process might take some time, but don't worry. Be patient and check your alternate email for further instructions from Google. Throughout this recovery process, it can be helpful to provide as much accurate information as possible to convincing Google of your identity. Remember also to periodically review the security settings on your account, once you regain access, to ensure this situation doesn't happen again. Adding a new recovery email and phone number can provide more ways to regain access in the future. And that's it for today's guide on recovering your Gmail account without a phone number or recovery email. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. If you did, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials.